Hi, Justin here. I am here to talk to you about one piece of technology that I found really cool. It is called Tour Builder. It is put on by Google. It's completely free. It works on any kind of device. I have not used this in my class yet. However, I've had coworkers that have used it. They really found it awesome. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a tour first. Actually, first I'll show you a tour I've created. So this is a tour I created. It is of Berthoud, Colorado. So I created this tour kind of for new students. They moved to the area. It's a small town. It's pretty easy to find stuff. However, in class I'll talk about we use relative location, absolute location, things like that when we're talking about geography. This kind of allows students to see where things are relative to other things. So let's go ahead and look at the tour I've created, and then I'll show you kind of how I did that. So the first tour stops at Turner Middle School. All right. Give a little blurb over here. It's Turner Middle School. Students range from 6th grade to 8th grade. Student body is roughly 500 students, and the mascot is a dragon. I could go into more, but I just like to keep it nice and simple. It's just kind of a brief overview. Then I put on Fickle Park. So there's only one park in Berthoud. It's a pretty small community. Fickle Park is located just up the street. It's nice that if you look, the maps from Google Maps show exactly where it's located. I can then click on this little human and drag him down here, or her, or it, and look around at Fickle Park. All right. The next stop that's really popular with students is the skate park. So I added that. I did not write anything about the skate park, but again, you can see how they get there. Just walk right down Main Street. And then if I take and drop my little person, I can look around and check out the skate park. The picture hasn't been updated in a while. There's a little bit more to it now if students were actually to go there, but pretty interesting. All right, so let's go ahead and create a new tour. I'll show you how I did that. We're just going to call this tour Fort Collins. We'll go with Fort Collins. Fort Collins is the city that I grew up in. So we need to exit this view, and the first location that I want, add location, is 130 West Horsetooth Road. There we go. It'll take us up to that location. This I want to be able to view like this. So I put the little person here. I can see, yep, that's where I want. This is my stepdad's shop. It's a shop that I worked at several times. So this is kind of just going to be introducing you to where I'm from tour. So I'll add that. I want this view when they open it up. So I'm going to lock this view. So that means when they click on that location, this is the view that they see. All right. I'm not going to add any additional photos, but if I had some of like me working there or some of the employees, I can go and put that there. I can change the dates, and then I can type in here, first job after the military. Okay. I'm going to leave the icon the same, although you can change it if you want. Houses, restaurants, things like that, right? You have your military logos here. I'm just going to leave it as it is. All right, now I will add another location. Oh, let's see. 631 Brewer Drive. Okay, this is going to be across town. I'll zoom in, and I will add this to the tour. I want to go to this view. All right. And, oh, actually, you know what? I put the wrong address. I want this house over here. And this would be the house that I grew up in. So I'm going to lock this view, save. My old blue truck, might as well mention that. All right, and I want to lock that view too. Okay, so now I'll exit. I can continue adding locations. I'm not going to just because I want to keep this video short. Once I'm done, I can hit done editing. All right, now I can share this tour. I can share it through Google Plus. I can share it through Facebook, Twitter. I can email it to my students if I want them to see it. I can get a link right here. I can just copy this link and paste it into my website or my Google Classroom or whatever I want. I can also change privacy settings. I can make it so that anyone who has the link can access it. I'll just leave it how it is. All right. And then the students can go in and use it. If I want to get back to home, I hit the home button. Another great thing about this is there are tours that are already made. So if I want to tour Lackland Air Force Base, all right, this person has put together a tour of Lackland. So her description, it kind of moves her around during her military career. Yeah, so there are all kinds of different things. This is a really good tool if you want to show your students around a city, but you can't afford to take a field trip or anything like that. It's really beneficial. This program, I would probably best link it to the ISTE standard of citizenship, more specifically standard 3A, creating experiences for learners to make positive socially responsible contributions and exhibit empathetic behaviors online that build relationships and community. You can really, for the project that I created with showing students around town, it's really basic, but it gives them a sense of where things are, so helps to build that little piece of community. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, just go ahead and post them in the comments, and I'll do my best to try to answer them. Thank you.